Welcome, YouTubers, to another Stoddard Tutoring tutorial on mole conversions. Let's take a look at a problem involving calculating the grams of product starting from the grams of starting material. In this problem, we are asked how many grams of samarium-3 hydroxide are produced from 1.8 grams of samarium. Here we have a balanced chemical equation that shows how samarium is converted to this product. So let's develop a plan. Here we are starting with grams of samarium, so it's important to realize we have to convert this to moles of samarium. Then we can use the coefficients from the balanced chemical equation to convert to moles of product. Finally, we will calculate the grams of samarium-3 hydroxide using the molar mass of the product. So this is the overall strategy we're going to use. Let's get started by converting grams to moles. You can find samarium in the actinides grouping of your periodic table as element number 62. Now, we are starting with 1.8 grams of samarium. So to convert to moles, we want to position 1.8 grams of samarium here as a starting point. And then we want to put 150.36 grams of samarium in the denominator, which is the molar mass of samarium. And we'll go ahead and put 1 mole of samarium here on the top, so you can see how the units correctly cancel here. Okay? Next, we need to convert moles of samarium into moles of samarium-3 hydroxide, which is the product. We will do that by looking at the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. Here you can see that 2 moles of samarium will produce exactly 2 moles of samarium-3 hydroxide, according to the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. So we will set up a conversion by placing the 2 moles of samarium here in the denominator and 2 moles of samarium-3 hydroxide in the numerator. Here I'm just showing once again how the units correctly cancel. In the final step, we need to convert moles of samarium-3 hydroxide to grams of samarium-3 hydroxide. For this, we need to determine the molar mass of the product. And so again, we turn to the periodic table to find the mass from 1 samarium, and that's 150.36, remember. 3 oxygens and 3 hydrogens. This gives us a total of 201.384 grams of samarium 3 hydroxide, which is the molar mass. And so we go ahead and put that in the numerator. And we go ahead and put 1 mole of samarium-3 hydroxide in the denominator. So again, I'm showing how the units cancel here. And let's go ahead and plug this into our calculator, and we get 2.4 grams of product. So that's our final answer to 2 significant figures there. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and consider subscribing if these videos are helpful to you. Good luck in your chemistry course.